Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to model a bed. You can easily find a lot of reference from internet. In this case, I found some furniture design from the IKEA website. There's a different kind of bed. I'll select this design. You can easily find all the dimension of the parts from the official website. You can also find a picture, a diagram, show you all the dimension of different parts of your bed. So remember all this diameter, or this length and the width, so that we will use it in our 3D software. I go back to my 3D software and I'm going to start a new file. Use keyboard insert to help me zoom the viewport. Most of the part for my bed, I will use boards to create all those boards, but the matrix, I will use the chamfer boards, and then I will go to modifier. Okay, I will use the number a bit smaller than the length and the width of our bed. In this case, 154 cm, and I use 151 cm. So, which is up to you. And then I'm going to create the headboard. You can use the align tool to help you align your headboard, maybe the insert position to the minimum, so that all of the object will stick on the ground. And then I align again. This time I use the current object's Y position, the minimum point, stick to the target object, the Y position, the maximum point. Okay, and I will stick my headboard perfectly in this position. And then I'm going to use the poly vertex. Before I move the vertex, I want to let you show, because I'm going to use the turbo smooth to make my board looks more smooth. I want to use the distribution of the vertex to control the level of the smooth for each corner. So I choose vertex. I turn off the turbo smooth first, and select all these vertex. Use the scale tool, scale it up to make them closer. In this case, if I turn on turbo smooth again, you will see this corner look more smooth, but this corner looks more straight, because the vertex are close to each other. And I choose vertex, turn off the turbo smooth, and use that view to help me select all the inner point of my board. And also I want to scale it up a bit, and then turn on turbo smooth again, which will affect this corner, all the four corners, to make them look much more straight. I'll turn it off, go to turbo smooth. You can increase the iterations to increase the number of wireframes so that the quality of your headboard will look better. I turn on F4 to see all the wireframe. If you think it's not enough, you can increase this number, but beware that because there's a large amount of polygon. For example, this polygon are used. All these polygons are useless, but this is a very fast and convenient way for you to increase the number of wireframe to make your model look smoother. You can use your keyboard number key 7 to ask the computer show you the number of polygon of your scene right now. In this case, for the whole scene, I've used 7,000 polygons to create the headboard and also the matrix. And then select this headboard. Use my keyboard shift key to duplicate one more. This time I select copy. I want to use it as our footboard, and I align to our matrix again. This time I use the Y position, maximum for the current object and minimum for the target object. Okay, and I select the boards. Okay, because I didn't increase and decrease the number of vertex and the edge in the edit poly, so I can go back to boards to adjust some of the parameter. I wanted this one. Sorry, this one is the footboard. Okay, based on this graphic, we know that the length for the footboard is 20 cm. And then I go to Edit Poly, turn off Turbo Smooth, select all these vertices and increase the scale of the X a bit, and then turn on Turbo Smooth again to make this corner look more straight. You can turn on this button to show you the end result. Okay, after I finish it, I turn off the vertex mode and then I do the alignment again. The current object. And then I choose this board again. Turn on the angle snap. Use rotation tool. Holding your keyboard shift key. We are going to duplicate one or more board for 90 degree. Copy. Align to our matrix. This time I want to align the Y position center to center. And then align again. This time I want to do the X position. Okay, use the current object's maximum point, align to the target object's minimum point. X position. I go to boss. Change the measurement, the number, the length of this board as same as our diagram, and also I go to vertex. I turn off the Turbo Smooth first because there's so many vertices. I want to see my object much more clear. Use a scale tool to increase the distance of this vertex. is a position. After I finish everything, I select this board again, use my keyboard shift key, turn off the angle snap, use my keyboard shift key to duplicate one more to the other side. This time I use instance. Okay, align again, align to the matrix. Is a position. Sorry, X position. The current object is minimum and the target object should be maximum. I have to move this object again. Oh, alignment. Align to the matrix. Okay, done. Want to decrease the number of my matrix a bit. Okay, I've finished all the board building for my bed, so I rename them. I use several cylinder to create a fit for my bed. Keyboard shift key for you to do the duplication. Okay, I think we've finished the model for our bed. If you want, you can give some noise for your mattress. If you want to give some noise for your mattress, you have to increase the number for the our transfer balls. So I select the matrix and increase the number of the right frame, and then I'm going to give it a noise. Okay, I want to use the noise to give some diversity for the EZ axis. So I increase the number of EZ. Okay. You can also change the scale so that you will change the result of your noise. Okay, this is my matrix.